Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com and Santarelli Trading Exchange. It is Monday, December 27th here, last week of the year. There's really not too much coming out this morning as far as upgrades and some news coming out. Bloomberg's kind of slow here. So let's go over the top market movers here this morning. So first off, if you guys take a look here, Microbot Medical, that one's surging here in pre-market hours, up over 71% here. CEI just had breaking news that they got a loan to cover. They got a loan to cover some bonds they had to pay out there, so that one's getting a nice little pop there, up about 33%. And as far as the rest go there, that PTPI has been coming up for the past few days, Petros Pharmaceuticals. So we'll take a look at that later today here. Also CVU there, CPI, Aerostructures, that one's been climbing here recently in the pre-market hours there. If you go over to the top losers there, Bridge Biopharma down about 67%. And really not too much else there that I like. So we'll go on to the next here. And upgrades, downgrades, and initiations. So far, I didn't see any upgrades coming out this morning. I don't know if it's slow for the holidays still, or people still getting, back to the work session here, but not too many upgrades. Actually, not any upgrades at all here today. So we'll start off at the all ratings here. You guys could see Torrid Holdings there, Curve, CURV. That currently trading around $10.14 a share. That was upgraded by Morgan Stanley from 14 to 2, maintains current equal weight there. Sophie Technologies. Currently trading around 15.09 a share, and Morgan Stanley pulled the rating back there, $24.22, and maintains an overweight rating there. Everbridge, Carvana there, that's one that some were taking a look at last week, currently trading 240.80 a share. Baird downgraded that a little bit there from 350 to 300 on their price target, maintains an outperform rating there. So Foot Locker's on there, Victoria's Secret, GameStop. So there's quite a bit there to take a look at this morning. Let's go over now to the downgrades. And you guys can see here, really not too much of anything that we watch here. Mostly are some smaller cap stocks there. So Ortho Clinic Diagnostics there from 29 to 25, downgraded overweight to equal weight. And that's really it that I see. ALLK, that one's been coming up quite a bit. We can look at that one later. But let's go on here to initiations now. As you guys can see here, Lucid Diagnostics, currently trading at $4.92. Analyst just initiated a buy rating on that with a price target of $16, which is about a 225% upside from the current price there. CTV, Innovid, $6.97 a share right now, and BMO Capital raised their price target there. Outperform rating, $13 price target, about an 86% upside from where it's at right now. And then you guys could see there, that was the ones from, over the last couple of days here. And then that's going back to December 23rd. So like I said, there's not much coming out yet this morning. Next up here, this was interesting, I found out. So every morning I like looking at the high short interest of stocks and seeing what's primed for a possible short squeeze. So as you guys can see here, Biofrontera, this one has been moving for quite a bit here. 89.54% short interest. That is significant. I haven't seen a short interest like that high since I've been looking at short interest. So that's going to be interesting. I'm going to keep a look and an eye on that stock throughout the week here. Maybe get a small trade on that. Might get it in the main account there, pick up some shares, or possibly some options if it has options traded on it. Other one there is Cortex Enzyme, CRTX there, 59.1% short interest. Usually it doesn't matter unless it's over 40% high short interest there. So 59 and the 89%, that's pretty significant. So I'll take a look at those two this week, see if anything happens. The rest down below there are ones that are usually always on this list. All right, so here is what to watch today that's being traded on and talked about on Wall Street Bets here. Top ones here are Tesla, Apple, GameStop, Facebook, Amazon, and Nikola. Nikola's getting another pop here in the pre-market hours. We have Tesla up over 1.5% here. Apple is climbing nicely. Amazon, Facebook, they're all getting a nice pop here. So I'm going to be sharing my watch list in the trade room shortly here, and we will go over what we want to be taking a look at. If you guys are interested in joining us, come visit us at breakingchartalerts.com. Use promo code WINTER to save 35% off any one of our plans there. And you guys could feel free to message us with any questions. Hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you guys live shortly. Take care.